Good Monday evening to you. Richard Scott here for the local forecast update. More weather changes coming up over the next several days. A roller coaster ride in terms of weather conditions. Still warm for about 24 more hours, and then really cold air starts to move in. So what's happening out there this evening as of about 10 o'clock in this Monday night? Showers and thunderstorms coming to an end across Alabama. A few showers still lingering around. Not a whole lot of rain though at this point, but a big soaking today across west and central Alabama since Saturday. Look at the rainfall amounts. Marengo County over in Hugo, 5.50. Jefferson over the Jefferson Store, northwest Marengo County, almost 4 inches there. Around Tuscaloosa, back towards Gordo, reports from our weather checkers between about 2.25 and 3.5 inches. Northwest Alabama reports from Concord to Holt Lake between about 2 and 3 inches, and a little lighter totals back over northwest Alabama and east and central Alabama. Gadsden, Anniston, healthy rainfall totals. Birmingham, also quite a bit of rainfall as well. Now, we still got some warm air across the southeast that will be eroded away as we go into the day on Wednesday and Thursday. With interest, we're watching some really cold air over the northwest. That will become a player in our forecast in terms of what could be happening later this week. Here's our computer model. Again, the cold front slow to arrive, but it moves in as going to Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning. Some cold air behind that. Temperatures will likely fall throughout the day on Wednesday. And then that system coming on to the west coast we'll be watching Wednesday and Thursday. And across the U.S., moving to the deep south and could produce some interesting weather for somebody in the deep south, and some of that could be winter weather. So let's check it out. I want to show you two different computer model outputs. In fact, one of these, this is the GFS. You're going to see snowfall accumulation as going to Friday into Saturday. This shows a very healthy snow amount across portions of central and west Alabama. If you take that one computer model, you'd say we're going to have a big snowstorm. All right, let's look at the European model. This is for the same time frame, Friday into Saturday. Hardly anything, maybe a little bit of light snow for North Alabama, generally north of Tuscaloosa, mainly north of Birmingham and Anniston. Even that's barely got anything measured in terms of snowfall. So, again, this is going to be a very uncertain forecast. Going to have to fine-tune things to get closer to it. But again, Friday into the day, Saturday, we'll be watching certainly with interest. Still going to be pretty mild though for Tuesday. Got plans outdoors. Temperatures topping out near 70. Mainly cloudy, a few intervals of sun. And then Friday into Saturday is when things get quite interesting. We're talking about temperatures quite chilly. We'll only top out in the 30s on Friday and Saturday. Lows at or below freezing. And the chance for a wintry mix. And let me warn you, there's going to be some changes in our models between now and then. You got to keep checking back with us for details on this. Some models, by the way, I do want to mention, have shown basically nothing here. In fact, some models have had totally dry weather, just cold and dry. So there's a lot to be ironed out over the next several days. Confidence in this will increase. As you know, forecasting winter weather in the deep south can be very complicated. Chances are this will change quite a bit over the next several days. Will it turn into more of a snow look, more of a rain look, or just a dry look? It's still yet to be determined, but keep checking back. We'll update that forecast.